Hi, my name is Penny Krieger. I'm the owner of Paradise Oriental Rugs in Sebastopol, California. We're doing a brief video today of some Afghan War Rugs that are available for sale at my gallery. We're going to start with the smallest Afghan War Rug I've ever seen. This is a little less than, it's pretty much of a 2 by 2.3, something like that. And you'll see as you start to observe the designs in these war rugs, they have grenades and tanks and helicopters. That's a very simplistic rendition of a helicopter. Okay, this is a very affordable piece. If you see anything you like today, you can call for a price. Okay, here is another Afghan war rug. This one has a map of Afghanistan. This was woven in 2014. Again, tanks, rifle, which is an AK-47. This is a rocket launcher. And this piece is about a 2 by 3. This is a recent acquisition for my gallery. I do believe that the colors in this are really beautiful, quite harmonious, and deeply saturated. The green here is particularly attractive with the navy and the reds. There's 2 tones of red. This is a true red. This is more of a deep burgundy red. Of course, you have your helicopter, your tanks, again AK-47s. We have grenades in the border, and this is a well-made rug, handmade. All these are handmade. You can see the knots on the back. This is wool on a cotton foundation. Okay, we will continue. These rugs were all woven in Afghanistan. This piece is older. It's probably about 10-15 years old. It has very little wear on it. The colors are pretty flamboyant, so it would be for someone who appreciates that. The green in here is particularly attractive. I'm a person who loves green. The bullets in the border are nice. You can clearly see. Again, helicopters, AK-47s, tanks, and so forth and so on. This piece is about 3.2 by 5.3. Okay, we're going to transition over here to this navy blue war rug with a beautiful khaki helicopter right at the top. Beautiful colorations here. This is a burgundy on the AK-47. This is a very brick-colored rose, and helicopter with some numbers on it. I've seen very few war rugs in the navy blue, and this is a soft navy blue. It's not so dark that you are just overwhelmed with darkness. This is one of my favorite war rugs that I've ever seen. It's 3.4 by 5.3 wool on a cotton foundation, hand woven, hand spun wool. Just a lovely piece. Let's just back up and show the whole rug here. Right. Okay, and up here we have another, this piece is 3.7 by 5. Again, different renditions of the same basic designs, helicopters, tanks, AK-47s, bullets in the border. This piece is probably just like the other one in the red I showed, 10-15 years old. And last but not least, some people would find this controversial. This rug was in my personal collection for almost 10 years. I've decided now that I can sell it. And it is, it has the twin towers, as you can see, was woven in Afghanistan. I have seen some other ones similar, but never have I seen one with the blue on the twin towers. So that little piece is about a 2 by 3. And so these are the war rugs that are available at my gallery. If you have any interest, give me a call. The number will be below. Please like and share this video if you care to. Thank you.